to the, I need to go to Walmart. I need to go get some diapers and recalls.
And there's the pudding.
She likes it.
Pudding.
I need to have enough, okay?
She's gonna make a humongous mess, Drew. That's embarrassing to have to clean up that huge mess and have everything I need to clean. Oh my gosh. Get some wipes. Get some wipes. I'm done. You guys, I'm done. Go. This is the worst time to let her feed herself. Give me your napkin. Please sit down.
I'm going to the bathroom.
So you want to go to the bathroom? It's usually dirty. Okay, you ready to go? I'll unbuckle you so we can go, okay? I'm going to have to beat your butt in here a minute.
Oh, bring it on, Mom. Bring it on.
Mandy, you ready to go shopping?